Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So today we are having the news regarding Google Pixel and Google as a whole. Like in today's day and age, where every company tries to make like there is no leaks regarding their upcoming smartphone, Google just goes with it. And yeah, Google is the has the worst kept secrets about their smartphones which are going to be leaked. And now we today have Google Pixel 7 and a hands-on leak, as you can see on the screen here. There was an eBay listing of Google Pixel 7 and it is a prototype unit. Do note, while the listing has been pulled off from eBay, we still get to know like it is a prototype and what it comes with. The listing already states, like it won't come with Tensor 2 CPU, but it will come with various other advancement. But you can see on the screen here, it looks like metal on its back compared to Pixel 6, which had like plastic finish for the camera module, but here it's pure metal and it's not safe. It's dual tone finish and it looks pretty good. Way good compared to the images which has been shown. And here you can see like Pixel 7, and it has been taken by Pixel 7 Pro, so basically you can get an idea about the camera software for it. But Pixel 7 Pro don't have the same camera software as compared to Pixel 6 Pro, because it is still a prototype phone and there's work going on in it. But yeah, to be sure, we got a hands-on leak regarding Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, and it is pretty huge, and it shows like it will come with 128 gigs of base storage, and the punch hole remains the same, but the bezels are shrinking a little bit, while 128 gigs is same 28 gigs of base storage, while it will be powered by Tensor 2 CPU, which is based on 4 nanometer, and it will be most powerful for AI and image processing. And there have been reports like it will be made by Samsung itself. So yeah, it is not made by TSMC but by Samsung. So yeah, rejoice. While Pixel 7 is set to release in 2022, the Pixel Fold has skipped to the next year, like it has been delayed again, maybe due to the production issues, or the smartphone is not up to the mark that Pixel wanted it to be, but Google wanted it to be. But Pixel 4 has definitely been delayed to next year, so you have to wait for Pixel Notepad for another year to come, which will be a great way, because Pixel had mostly competition, but they had given competition in the foldable segment, as Google is the owner of Android. So let's wait and see next year. We still need to wait a year for Pixel Notepad. But what do you think about Pixel 7, the leak images? Yeah, sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.